Now next up is Synergie MineralWhip. It's a mineral cream foundation. I spent years looking for a cream foundation that I liked in mineral because I find the mineral products are amazing, and I think mineral as a category is really underrated because mineral foundations are actually also sunscreens because they're made out of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So anyway, I was looking for a cream foundation that wasn't so messy and finally found one in MineralWhip. It also contains squalane, which is a potent antioxidant. The trick is not to use too much. You just want to dab the brush in and then apply it from the center of the face outwards. And I love that it's so compact, it fits into your bag. So you can either go quite a sheer sort of finish, or you can keep adding. I sometimes even use my finger to apply it as a concealer under the eye. So anything for me that provides sun protection in a really low maintenance kind of way gets my massive tick of approval.